Okay guys, passage 3. Finally, academic reading, Academic reading is always like this. You cannot say this test is difficult. This test is as academic reading tests are, right? So don't expect this test is difficult in actual exam. They don't do anything like that. It can be more tricky than this as well. Okay, having a laugh, this is the title, and the subtitle is Findings of a Psychological Scientists Reveal the Importance of Humor. So now we understand having a laugh is the title, means laughter is the title. Findings of psychological scientists. Psychological scientists are the psychologists. Reveal the importance of humor. Why it is important to laugh. Thank God they don't have A, B, C, D. But we have multiple choice questions. So don't worry. I'll tell you the good news about multiple choice questions is this: all the questions and the answers are in the same order. That's the good news, right? So let's do question number 27. When referring to laughter in the first paragraph, how sweet they are. He's already mentioned first paragraph, right? So it's a very good idea if they mention the paragraph, line number, sentence number, we can find it easily. Okay, when referring to laughter, and by the way, listen, in multiple choice, do not touch ABC. First, just read the question, find a clue word, go to the passage, find the answer to that question, then match that answer with ABC. Right? It's not that you read the question, you read ABC, you have already a confused mind. With confused mind, you go to the passage and then you'll be double confused and all that. So let's read the question, 27. When referring to laughter in the first paragraph, the writer emphasizes, go to first paragraph, writer emphasizes, focus the last 3 lines, let's read them together. Like other human emotions and expressions, are you there? Okay, third line from the middle. Like other human emotions and expressions, laughter and humor provide psychological scientists with rich resources for studying human psychology, ranging from the development of language to the neuroscience of social perception. Now match this sentence with one of the options. Now just a second, just go through all of it. Some options will cover only half of it and all that. You just need to focus like other human emotions and expressions. Laughter and humor provide psychological scientists with rich resource for studying human psychology, ranging from the development of language to the neuroscience of social perception. Option A, its impact on language. You know, the first thing is you need to eliminate the wrong option. So option A is wrong. Wow, very good. Keep it right. Okay, impact on language. They did not talk about when he is referring to laughter, the first paragraph, the writer is not emphasizing on impact on language. Option B, function in human culture. There is no mention of that. B to K options should be out. C, its value to scientific research. Why? Exactly. They say of psychological scientists with rich resource for studying human psychology. A. It's actually C, its value to scientific research. And D is its universality or universality. Now what is that word? Universality in animal societies. They didn't mention that as well. So 2 options should be eliminated in the first reading. When you read A, B, C, D, try to eliminate minimum 2 options and then you can decide which are the right ones. I give you another chance. Right? Yeah. Question number 28. What does the writer suggest? The question is, writer suggests about Charlie Douglas. Now go back and find Charlie Douglas. It is in the second paragraph. And whatever the writer suggests, You can just see that in the middle. Let's do it together. Have you found Charlie Douglas? Okay, I'm reading it from third line. Back in 1950, US sound engineer Charlie Douglas hated dealing with the unpredictable laughter of live audiences, so started recording his own laugh tracks. These were, now focus that, these were intended to help people at home feel like they were in a social situation such as a crowded theater. Now match this sentence with one of the four options. These were intended, laugh tracks were intended to help people at home feel like they were in a social situation such as a crowded place. Social situation, group setting. See that? Social situation where you are with a group of people. Okay, option D is he preferred shows where audiences were present in the recording studio. No, cross it. C, he wanted his shows to appeal to audience across the social spectrum. No. B, he believed that TV viewers at home needed to be told when to laugh. No. Option A, he understood the importance of enjoying humor in a group setting. Focus. These were intended to help people at home feel like they were in a social situation such as a crowded theater. That is actually group setting. Social situation, group setting. You know what that is? Have you ever seen in English, sometimes there are the comedy movies, comedy dramas, and there is a laughter of people. Ha 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 ha. Then they say something funny again, a group, that's at the background. So this is the guy, Charles Douglas, he actually created that. Charlie Douglas, yeah. Question number 29. What makes the Santa Cruz study particularly significant? Significant means important. Santa Cruz is the clue word. Go on, you will find Santa Cruz in third paragraph. Santa Cruz, what made Santa Cruz study particularly significant? Significant means important. Third paragraph. Santa Cruz is mentioned, team made up of this and that. Focus the last three lines. Participants were asked whether, got it? Yes, third last line. Participants were asked whether they thought the people laughing were friends or strangers. On average, the results were, now this is important. On average, the results were remarkably consistent worldwide. People's guesses were correct approximately 60% of the time. Now go back, go through A, B, C, D. When I ask you, then tell me the answer. 60% of the time. People's guesses were correct approximately 60% of the time. Option A, various different types of laughter that were studied. No. Option B, similar results produced by a wide range of cultures. Okay, yeah, wide range of cultures, that is approximately 60% of time. And then he said on average the results were remarkably consistent. Consistent means similar. Okay, consistent and similar. Alright, question number 30. Which of the following happened in the San Diego study? San Diego is the clue word. Which of the following happened? Now you will focus on the thing that happened in San Diego study. Question number, San Diego study is in fourth paragraph. Fourth paragraph and last 5-6 lines. You will find San Diego found, then there is explanation. Focus the last 3-4 lines. Laughter was recorded as each student took a turn at being teased by the others. You just need to focus what happened. Involving the use of mildly insulting nicknames Analysis revealed that as expected, now what happened? As expected, high status individuals, third last line I'm reading, high status individuals produced more dominant laughs and fewer submissive laughs relative to the low status individuals. Now focus this thing and go back to options and see where you match it. Laughter was recorded as each student took a turn at being teased by others. Took a turn means they change roles. Took a turn, like my role is this, then your role is, my role is your role is my role. Took a turn. So which option? Yeah. Option B is participants exchanged roles. Well done. Now 31. You have to repeat it all at home, I'm telling you. Just in a relaxed way, just read the question, go back, say, aha, okay, all right, acha, something like that, okay? Just do it. Question number 31. In the fifth paragraph, what did the result of the San Diego study suggest? Fifth paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On page 45, a random group. And you should focus, what did the results of the San Diego study suggest? Focus third line. In line with predictions, laughers producing dominant laughs were perceived to be significantly higher in status than laughters producing submissive laughs. Now just go and see. Laughters producing dominant laughs were perceived to be significantly higher in status than laughers producing submissive laughs. Just a second. A, B, C, or D. Go through all the options carefully. Match the options with this sentence. Laughers producing dominant laughs were perceived to be significantly higher in status. They were higher in their status than laughers producing submissive laughs. So, D for doctor. Well done. High status individuals can always be identified by their way of laughing. Exactly. Okay. Still want to go to Canada? Yes. UK or Murid K? All right.